Welcome back to another PedalerzMN video. Now, if you saw my last video, you know exactly what's going on the stand behind me. Today, we're going to build the Poseidon X up. Alright, so it's been a couple days. I finally got myself a torque wrench, so now I want to get the stem torqued properly to this carbon steer tube, and then I'm going to set the brakes properly, and the bike should be ready to go. We're on a streak of like super negative weather right now. It's like -10 in the morning, and then a high of like 1 degree for the day, so I'm probably not going to ride the bike anytime soon. It kind of sucks. Oh yeah, dude. Firm and good. Oh yeah, dude. That's exactly what we want. Alright, so I just took the Poseidon for a little hot lap out in the snow. It feels great. I am in some form of love with this bike. But that's about all I have for you guys. If you liked the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you want to see more Poseidon X content, you're just going to have to stick around on the channel. So